Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down, click on Privacy section, and finally access Permission Manager. Now you need to click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like Calendar. Tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for chosen app. Allow or don't allow. I want to set up don't allow, so when I click, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up and then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, Gmail no longer has access to my device's calendar. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Google One. Then, instead of applying one of those options from the list, click on See All Google Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those options only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!